Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on Crypto.com application. First of all you have to do is open Crypto.com app on your phone. From here you have to select the gear icon or the settings icon on the top left corner. Click on it. Your settings will open. And then you have to swipe down a bit until you see two-factor authentication. Click on it and then you will see a toggle. You have to turn it on. Now it will ask you to download and set up a two-factor authentication app like Google Authenticator to set up or pair with Crypto.com application. And then what you have to do is open your Play Store or App Store on your phone. Then you have to go to the search bar on the bottom right corner. From here you have to type Authenticator on the search bar. You will see a bunch of authentication application. So you can choose any of them. So I will choose this Authenticator application. I will install it. I will click on open. Once the app is opened, what you have to do is click on this plus icon on the bottom. Then you can either scan a QR code or enter code manually. I will select enter code manually. You can select the account type. For example, I will type Crypto.com. So after that, you can select any key. For example, I will select any of the key, and you can also change the icon. For example, there is no Crypto.com icon, so I will just leave it as you can select any of the random icons. For example, I will select this MasterCard. So after that, I will click on save. Now you have to go back to your Crypto.com application and you have to paste your key, security key, on that section. And then you have to click on continue. Once you're done, your two-factor authentication has been enabled on Crypto.com. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.